Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali in Onyx Black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 6.2-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5539A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.